Anyway, meaning of anyway. Anyway is an adverb used to indicate a transition or to get back to a main point after digressing. It can also imply that something is going to happen regardless of other factors or opinions. It's often used to express a casual tone in conversation. Sample tenses. Here are examples of anyway used in different tenses. Present tense. I don't like the movie, but I'll watch it anyway. Past tense. I didn't want to go to the party, but I went anyway. Future tense. Even if it rains, I will go for a walk anyway. Summary. Anyway is used to convey determination, disregard for prior statements, or return to a main point in conversation across different tenses. Following. Meaning of following. The term following can serve multiple purposes, primarily as a preposition, adjective, or noun. Here are the main meanings. As a preposition, used to indicate that something comes after something else in time or order. Example, following the meeting, we had lunch. As an adjective, describing something that is next in sequence or coming after something else. Example, the following day, we traveled to New York. As a noun, referring to a group of supporters or followers of a person or idea. Example, she has a large following on social media. Sample tenses. Here are examples of following used in different tenses. Present tense. Following my instructions, you will complete the project successfully. Past tense. Following the trail, we found the hidden cave. Future tense. I will send you the documents following our discussion tomorrow. Summary. Following can denote something that comes after in time or order and can be used in various contexts. Refer. Meaning of refer. Refer is a verb that means to direct someone's attention to something or someone for information or guidance. It can also indicate mentioning something or alluding to it. Sample tenses. Here are examples of refer used in different tenses. Present tense. I often refer to my notes during the presentation. Past tense. She referred to the manual for instructions on how to assemble the furniture. Future tense. I will refer you to a specialist for further evaluation. Summary. Refer involves directing attention or mentioning something in conversation or writing. Available. Meaning of available. Available is an adjective that describes something that is accessible, ready for use, or not otherwise occupied. It can refer to people, resources, or items that can be obtained or are at hand. Sample tenses. Here are examples of available used in different contexts. Present tense. The product is available in different colors. Past tense. The tickets were available last week, but they sold out quickly. Future tense. The new course will be available next semester. Summary. Available indicates that something can be accessed or used. Department. Meaning of department. The term department refers to a distinct part or division of a larger organization, typically responsible for a specific function or area of work. It can be used in various contexts, including businesses, government entities, academic institutions, and more. Sample tenses. Here are examples of department used in different contexts. Present tense. The marketing department is launching a new campaign this week. Past tense. The finance department submitted their annual report yesterday. Future tense. The human resources department will host an orientation session next month. Summary. A department is a specialized segment within an organization tasked with particular responsibilities. Conference. Meaning of conference. A conference is a formal meeting or gathering of individuals, typically organized to discuss specific topics, share information, and collaborate. Conferences can involve professionals from a particular field, academic disciplines, or industry sectors, often featuring presentations, discussions, and networking opportunities. Sample tenses. Here are examples of conference used in different contexts. Present tense. Annual conference is taking place next week. Past tense. Attended the international conference last year. Future tense. We'll schedule a conference call to discuss the project updates. Summary. A conference refers to a gathering aimed at discussion and collaboration on specific subjects. According. Meaning of according. The term according is typically used as a preposition in the phrase according to. It means an agreement with or is stated by someone or something, often referring to a source of information or opinion. Sample tenses. Here are examples of according used in different contexts. Present tense. To the report, sales have increased this quarter. Past tense. To the findings presented last year, more study is needed. Future tense. To the schedule, the meeting will start at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Summary. According indicates a reference to information or an opinion based on a source. Likely. Meaning of likely. Likely is an adjective that describes something that is probable or expected to happen. It indicates a high probability or chance of occurrence. Sample tenses. Here are examples of likely used in different contexts. Present tense. Is likely that the event will be canceled due to rain. Past tense. Was likely to win the award based on her previous performances. Future tense. Will likely complete the project by the end of the month. Summary. Likely suggests a high probability or expectation of an event occurring. Offer. Meaning of offer. The verb offer means to present something for acceptance or rejection. It can refer to proposing help, giving a suggestion, providing a service or a product, or inviting someone to take an action. Sample tenses. Here are examples of offer used in different contexts. Present tense. Offers her assistance to anyone who needs help. Past tense. Offered a great deal on the new car last week. Future tense. Company will offer a new line of products next year. Summary. Offer involves presenting something for consideration or acceptance. Equipment. Meaning of equipment. Equipment refers to the necessary items, tools, or machinery required for a specific purpose or activity. It can encompass a wide range of objects, from simple tools to complex machinery, used in various fields such as sports, construction, or technology. Sample tenses. Here are examples of equipment used in different contexts. Present tense. Gym provides all the necessary equipment for workouts. Past tense. Purchased new equipment for the laboratory last month. Future tense. We need to buy additional equipment for the upcoming project. Summary. Equipment denotes the tools or machinery essential for carrying out specific tasks or activities. Here's a quiz to test your understanding of the given vocabulary words. Vocabulary quiz. Choose the correct answer for each question and comment your answer. What does anyway mean? A. However. B. In any case. C. Nevertheless. Which word means the act of coming after something? A. Following. B. Refer. C. Offer. If something is available, it means A. Is not accessible. B. It can be obtained. C. It is temporary. To refer means to A. Cite or mention. B. Describe in detail. C. Suggest implicitly. A department is typically A. A section of a larger organization. B. A type of conference. C. A group of equipment. What is a conference? A. A small meeting. B. A formal meeting for discussion. C. A type of equipment. When we say according to, we are A. Referring to a source of information. B. Suggesting an opinion. C. Justifying an action. If something is likely, it means A. It is improbable. B. It has a good chance of happening. C. It is uncertain. To offer means to A. Request help. B. Provide something for acceptance. C. Demand something. What does equipment refer to? A. The process of organizing. B. Tools or materials needed for a specific purpose. C. A type of conference. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support on this learning journey. Remember, the key to improving your vocabulary is practice.